Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Our contact number is 9836793076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 9836793076. And our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. Then our team can arrange a clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. The beneficial for your preparation of your upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NVHM, PUMDET also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the year of 2024, and the question is from the question paper of PUMDET, and the question is telling us that the differential equation mod of dy dx plus mod y is equals to 0, and our y initial value is y of 0 is equals to 1. There are four options here: no solution, a unique solution, finitely many solutions, and infinitely many solutions. So what can be done here? Okay. So the sum of two absolute values, that means the sums of this mod of dy dx plus mod y, that is always non-negative. That means that will be always greater than equals to 0. We know that. So the equation states that their sum must be equals to 0. This implies both the terms must be 0 simultaneously. So that has to be 0 and that will also has to be 0. So from our this part we will get y equals to 0, and from this part we will get dy dx equals to 0, means y must be a constant function. Then now firstly we are going to checking the initial condition. So the only possible solution, that has to be y equals to 0, but the initial condition gives us that y of 0 is equals to 1 here. So this which contradicts the solution. So the conclusion will be, since there is no function that satisfies both the differential equation and the initial condition, no solution exists. So the correct answer will be no solution. And again we can say that the given equation is mod of dy dx plus mod of y equals to 0. Since mod of y is always greater than equals to 0, the only way for the sum to be 0 is if both terms are 0, means our y equals to 0 and dy dx equals to 0. However, the initial condition y is 0 of y0 equals to 1 contradicts this. So we can easily say that the no solution exists is the only correct option of this given question. Okay. So we move to the question. Yeah. So yeah. So our option A is the correct answer of this question. So again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts, or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number, and you can drop an email to our email ID. Then our team can arrange the doubt clearing sessions. After that, you can join as a student to our institution. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.